Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A05S. So you have to start with powering down your device. And once your device is powered off, you have to plug it into your PC. And then hold down volume button and power button at the same time. And after a while, recovery mode should pop up on your screen. And here is recovery mode, and in recovery mode you have to use volume buttons to navigate and power button to select. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.